Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University. BBAU is a sprawling eco-friendly campus. We have taken several initiatives in the past few years to make the campus clean and green.
Our university campus is a green and clean campus. We have 75% of the land which is completely with plantations and other water bodies.
We have a lot of biodiversity, a lot of greenery. We have ponds, we have animals.
The ambience at BBAU is quite positive and vibrant. If you enter the campus, you will be welcomed by a lush green vegetation with beautiful plants and flowers, and even the animals.
The area of the university is about 256 acres with a built-up area of about 8%. The green belt and open area accounts for 77% of the area of the campus. More than 5,000 plants were planted last year with a target of 10,000 more this year.
Having lot of vegetation, more than 5,000 plants have been planted in this year, and we are planning to have more than 10,000 plants in coming years.
The university is an ISO 14001 certified campus with a robust environment management system in place. It has also got the distinction of an International Green Building Standards IGBS campus.
We are the ISO 14001 certified environmental management system in place, and also our campus is certified by the International Green Building System. It is one of the rarest recognition that our university has got.
Rich green vegetation and large open land provides good infiltration of the rainwater in the university campus. 3 water bodies have been named as Pragyatal, Shiltal and Karunatal, following the principles of the university emblem.
In our university, we have different water bodies. We have named them as Pragyatal, Karunatal, Shiltal, and these different water bodies help us in charging of the groundwater.
We have developed 3 large retention ponds through which the rainwater is collected and allowed to percolate. And the rainwater seeps down and improves the groundwater table. They let the water stay long enough and help fresh water seep down. Sprinklers are used for watering the plants, and even narrow tubes are used to save water. This water is delivered directly at the base of the plant, thus conserving a lot of water.
These water bodies hold rainwater and help in recharging groundwater in the campus. We are also complying with Jal Shakti Abhiyan and rainwater harvesting. There are also rooftop rainwater harvesting system in place in most of the buildings.
The open space that we have in our campus helps us in infiltration of the rainwater into the ground, and that's why we are able to maintain our groundwater. Not only that, we have also having rooftop water harvesting management system in different buildings of our university. So that is also one of the way that we are trying to have restoration of the groundwater level.
The university is saving electricity through its own solar power plants. It saved electricity worth 48 lakhs during the year 2020 and sent it to the grid.
We have also tried to reduce the consumption of electricity by implanting solar plants. And also we have saved around 40 lakhs of rupees in a year. And moreover, when required, this surplus of the electricity that is generated by solar powers that are being sent to the grid system also.
The university campus is a polythene-free campus. The waste from all around the university is separated daily as wet and dry waste in different bags, which are disposed of separately.
So we are not only that, we have also tried to have a good waste management system. So that for the waste management system, we have segregated the non-recycled waste and the cycled waste that can be cycled. So for that, we are trying to have the manure system, that is natural manures, how we can different type of waste materials.
The university has a dedicated cell called Core Green Group for overall management of the environment and water bodies in the campus.
Our core committee, a green core committee, looks on all these aspects and maintain the greenery and air quality in the campus.
We have recently installed an air quality monitoring system in our campus.
With the help of IIT Kanpur, we have installed a device which is using a revolutionary technology. It is called Pure Skies and it addresses the ambient air pollution in the campus. It is a unique solution to control levels of particulate matter in the air, and it uses pulsed Wi-Fi technology to reduce the particulate matter, especially PM10 and PM2.5. And the instrument is also clubbed with an air quality monitoring system which checks the level of PM 24/7 in the campus.
We have no vehicle day. Our Wednesday is no vehicle day in the campus. The students are trained for environmental management. We have a good and very reputed Department of Environmental Science. For all the students in the university, we have a specific course for environmental awareness and environmental understanding, which teaches the various basic aspects of environmental management.
Many of our students come forward to voluntary work outside the campus for regular river cleanup, water conservation, and many management activities.
The university is also contributing toward the restoration of water bodies of Uttar Pradesh. We are restoring 16 rivers of Uttar Pradesh and have partnered with the state government, Namami Gange and IIT Kanpur.
We at BBU campus are adopting innovative practices of groundwater augmentation by rainwater harvesting and artificial recharge. We promote water use efficiency, recycle and reuse of water across the campus, and also we are creating awareness through students' participation in the campus, resulting into the overall sustainability of groundwater resources. And we are also trying to build adequate capacity among the stakeholders, not only in the campus but also outside the campus. BBAU is an ideal, sustainable and eco-friendly campus which is creating a positive and vibrant environment. We are also aspiring to become a carbon neutral campus through the leadership of our Vice Chancellor and efforts of our faculty members, staff and students. We are sure our campus is going to create, support and implement several green initiatives in the future which would be driven by the entire university community that will further reduce our carbon footprint and increase the sustainable practices in our campus.